I took a few hours to make trails in the backyard while my daughter was sleeping away. Grandma was doing some cleaning. The little woman's doing some cooking. And now let's go check out the trails in the backyard. Feel like it's pretty epic. Here we go. Nice day out. There's a few trails that already existed and some stairs. Up the stairs. I almost continued these stairs, but it got way too rocky. I don't think anybody would have been able to make it up there very easy. So then I came back around and went this way. This trail already existed from the past owners, but coming up soon is something pretty amazing. A lot of my friends helped make this next thing, but mainly Chris Patnaw. This is the Ewok ramp. It's called the Ewok ramp because it used to be built where a treehouse was. There was a treehouse right there, but now there's a super fun ramp that we call the Ewok ramp. And then over here, after the ramp was made, we made a gazebo. Arthur, Chris, and my brother helped make this gazebo. So you can kick it up there, camp, skate the ramp, have fun. Down that way is the house. And here is the new trail I made. Let's see where it goes. It's pretty steep. I marked it with some 2x4s before I grade it and make it more visible. Used to be some trees and a chicken coop over here. Not anymore. All right. This is when it starts getting fun. Again, I'm going to make the trail more visible and easier to hike as we go along. Up here. There we go. Up this way. Some natural steps here. Use those, make your life easier. Over here, this is still property, our property, but this fence was put here long ago, I believe to stop animals. But it didn't really stop much because we got coyotes that come through the property often. There are mountain lions, but I haven't seen one yet. Here we go. Still hiking up. I left some of these trees for grips. Here we go, through here. All right. Now here we come to a secret lookout point. I'm gonna name it something, but I'm not sure what yet. Maybe Miriam's Lookout or Makeout Point or I don't know, something like that. Here we go. Up here. Nice view. Valley Center. Over this way I might extend the trail up the mountain more. And then over here we have another extra secret lookout. Come down this way. Watch out for snakes. Definitely rattlesnakes in this property. Here we have another secret lookout. A secret lookout. Even better view. All right, well, thanks for watching. I think I'm gonna extend the trail even more and make the existing trail better. But yeah, I'll keep you posted. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care.